Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open Capcut. Go to New Project and add your 11 photos. Select Format 9:16. Adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now add effect to the first photo. Tap on first photo, then go to Style. Now apply 3D Zoom Pro effect. Now trim all photos to this time duration. Now apply effect on last photo. Tap on photo, then go to Style. Now apply pop-up album effect. You can also apply effects on the video. Go to Effects, then Video Effects. Now slide left to Retro. Now choose any effect from here. Apply effect to full video. Now check your video. Now select Resolution and Export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.